G'day cocktail lovers, this feels like a very dangerous drink. It's called a brain duster. I'm also thinking you could call it the Devil's Manhattan. Manhattan is traditionally 2 ounces rye whiskey, 1 ounce sweet vermouth. This is 1 ounce rye whiskey, 1 ounce sweet vermouth, 1 ounce of absinthe, which is what has lent this rather gloomy colour to it. Honestly, not that visually appealing. I'm almost doing this on a dare. That seems like way too much absinthe, but I'm going to give it a taste now. You know, I'll be your guinea pig. Let's go for it. Very strong licorice taste from the absinthe. It is actually nowhere near as harsh as I thought it would be. The elements are coming together. If I was being completely honest, this would be a better drink with less absinthe in it. Say 45 mils of the rye whiskey and 15 mils of the absinthe. As I said, this is more or less been a dare. I dared someone on live stream, dare you to do a brain duster, and they showed it to me. I'm like, all right, I'll do it. And I have done it. But if you want to experiment and try your luck with, as I said, a rather dangerous cocktail, here's how we make it. In a mixing glass, we put 1 ounce or 30 mils of absinthe, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of sweet vermouth, follow that with 1 ounce or 30 mils of rye whiskey, and then just 1 dash of aromatic bitters to round things out. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds, maybe longer, 30 or even 35 seconds, accounting for all that absinthe in there, and then strain that into a chilled coupe. I'm going to try and brighten things up with a twist of orange peel in there as well. A lot of people are put off by this bright blue absinthe. They think that doesn't look like real absinthe. Well, it is. There's just a gimmick where they artificially colour it based on the alcohol content. But if you used a more naturally coloured absinthe, you'd get a less freakishly coloured drink. I will freely admit, this is not a very visually appealing drink, and it's a passingly appealing cocktail. If I hadn't already had enough absinthe tonight, I might try making this again, as I said, with 45 mils of the rye whiskey and 15 mils of the absinthe, which is still a lot of absinthe. But I'm going to quit while I'm ahead and will not get too much further behind, and I'm going to finish this off. So yes, moderation folks, don't do too much of this sort of thing, because I want to see you around again, and until I do see you again, I'll say cheers.